So guys, I'm sure you've been seeing a lot of videos such as this.
I didn't know love could feel this gentle.
It's because it's real.
You've been different.
This kind of videos have been making waves. Just take a look at this channel. This particular channel is making waves, and the amazing thing is it is monetizable. As long as you are unique, you are putting your own creativity into this, you can monetize this particular kind of videos. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a simple way you can actually create these videos. So without wasting much time, let's get right into the tutorial. So guys, the first thing you're going to do is you are going to head on over to ChatGPT, and then you're going to put this prompt. I want to create a short story about love. Well, you can pick any kind of story. Just describe the kind of story in detail that you want to create with cinematic 3D render of a stylized humanoid fruit characters. This is very important to get the kind of images we want. Create the story dialogue with action, short and simple, and the prompt to generate images for each scene. And then we are going to just prompt this, and we're going to see what it is going to give us. Okay guys, so you can see this gave us all our scenes that we need and gave us prompts for each image. So all you need to do to then copy this and create the images. I'll be creating my images here on ChatGPT, so I won't have to stress myself. So I'm just going to copy. I've created the image of the scene 1. I'll just copy the image of the scene 2. I'll place it here, and then I'm going to prompt and I'll wait for it to generate. So I'll do this for all the scenes, and then I'll show you how we can animate them. So guys, as you can see, I've generated all my images for each scene. So the next thing we're going to do now is we are going to go and generate our animations. So we are going to come back to the dialogue and action of the first scene, and then we are going to copy the one for our scene 1. So I'm just going to copy this, and then we are going to head on over to Flow AI. So this is Flow AI. So I'm going to try and put the link to Flow AI in the comments, not in the comments, actually in the description, so you can grab it there if you want to try it out. And also, if you check my profile, I have lots of tutorial about Flow AI, so you can also look that out. So once you're here, click on new project. Once you click on new project, it will load up like this. Click on where it says nano banana over here. That's the image. We are going to toggle it to the video, and then we are going to put 1x so we don't use too much of our credits. And make sure you are on the VEO 3.1 Lite, because that one charges you only 10 credits. As we all know, Flow gives us 50 daily credits. If you are using it, it gives you 50 daily credits. So if you want to maximize your usage, make sure you are using VEO 3.1 Lite. So once you have it here, click on this plus button, and then you are able to upload your characters. So come over here, click on upload media. It will take you over here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload the images. That's images 1 to images 5 that I did. As you can see, I use fruit to name it just so I know which one it is. So I'm just going to allow this to upload, and then we can get started with the animation. So now that all our images are added, I'm going to pick the first scene, which is, I titled it Fruit 1. I'm just going to click on this, and then I'm going to click on Fruit 1 and then add to prompt, and then I'm just going to paste our prompt that we had. This switched back to this. I need to switch back to video. Just let me switch it back. Okay, so we're back on video. I'm just going to paste this prompt again. So because AI can be funny, just make sure you are specifying. So in front of Lina, I'm going to put in bracket again, I'm going to put the strawberry, and then in front of Kai, I'll put the orange, just so it doesn't misplace them and all of that. And then I'm just going to go ahead and, let me pick this to landscape so it goes accordingly. So I'm going to prompt this. So this is what you are going to do for each and every of the scene. Once you do this for each and every of the scene, then we can then add all our clips together. So I'm just going to wait for this to generate and I'll show you what next we're going to do. So guys, the videos are all done. All we're now going to do is we're going to head on over to CapCut and then we are going to import all of these videos. So now that we have all of them, all we need to do is to just arrange them based on which one is which. So we have the first one and then we're going to have the second video. You can add everything and then you can edit, add background sound if you want, add caption if you want. Just feel free to be creative with it. You can add titles on it so it feels and looks good. So once you're sure everything is okay, you just download. So there you have it guys, very nice and easy. I'm going to put the full version of the video after the tutorial so you can watch it. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'm more than willing to answer. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.
I didn't know love could feel this gentle.
It's because it's real.
You've been different. Just busy. Don't overthink. So this is what busy looks like. You didn't break my heart. You replaced it.